Morning guys, welcome back guys. So this morning guys, we're heading to the farm. Some of you might not know, we had a market day a few months ago that has since been closed. But guys, I just want to show you something quickly. We have a lot of flowers that we'd like to sell, and obviously guys, this is our community angle of Off-Road for Life. So we don't do this for money guys, we do it to help the community. So we have a little farm out here. Just want to move the camera the other side. So guys, this is Bella. Hello Bella. So guys, this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you these flowers. So guys, lots of you are going to need some of these, the Marigold, in the next few weeks, next few days. I'll give you pricing just now guys, and contact detail. Good day guys, welcome back. So guys, we're at the farm this morning. Have a look here guys. We have a whole lot of Marigold. If you look further on, slightly to the right. So guys, I'm just going to walk through a lot of mud here. So guys, this is our community angle. We would like to help the local people, businesses, farmers to promote their business guys. So in a few weeks you guys would need some of these flowers, the marigolds. I'll leave a number in the description box. I just want to show you this here guys. Fields of marigold in yellow and orange. We're just going to walk to the other side. So guys, you can get in touch with the number that I'll provide in the description box. Just want to show you that as we chat. And you can get all of them guys, and it's 200 Rand a box of flowers. I'm going to show you a box, and there's plus minus 180 to 200 flowers in a box. So let's walk through here guys. Very wet and muddy this morning. Have a look at this here guys. As we speak, we got more rain. So guys, don't come to the farm. Just get in touch with the number provided. And these guys will help you out. I'm not going to walk any further guys, it's quite wet. As you can see, there's yellow, there's this orange marigolds. So you got this field and this field. Obviously guys, you got the field on the other side. So that's it guys, 200 Rand a box of flowers, plus minus 180 to 200 in a box. And it goes for 200 Rand for a box of flowers guys. So please share this guys, I'm pretty certain lots of you are going to need them in the next few weeks. So guys are starting to take them at the moment. So that's what it looks like, guys. I'm just gonna pick this up. Sorry guys, in a little. So this is the box we're talking about. That's the box they come in, guys. The bananas normally come in a box like this. That's the size of the box, guys, to give you some indication as to what the size is like. So that's it, guys. Got yellow and orange. So this is what the farm looks like, guys. Beautiful place to be in. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Cheers, guys.